Hello everyone. This video deals with the poem The Computer Swallowed Grandma. This poem was written by an anonymous writer. This poem is a humorous as well as a children poem. What do you mean by anonymous? If you don't know who wrote a poem, the author is anonymous. For example, if you don't know who donated a gift to a museum, it's called an anonymous gift from an anonymous donor. Anonymous means a person unknown. Another related meaning of anonymous is to describe something that does not have any special qualities. About author Valerie Wade. The poem was originally written by Valerie Wade for the children's page of a local magazine in July 2004, and it was published in the Daily Mail, English national newspaper, on July 2nd, 2004. Since then, the poem has appeared all over the world, either as author, unknown, or even newspaper. Occasionally, it does include Wade. It is featured in a second book of illustrated poems, Little Gems, published to raise funds for the Sight Save appeal at the Royal Infirmary. It has also been set to music by Ellen Lowry of Bristol and now appears as a free e-card. Wade was pleased that her grandma seems to be amusing so many people and hopes she will continue so to do. But the last two lines of poem are incorrect and should read, please scan, copy and paste her in an email back to me. The poem is included in the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Art Verse and Prose Anthology and was recently used in the Mansfield and District Arts Festival. Before going to the poem, I would like to ask you a question. So how many of you like grandma? So everyone likes her grandma. Even though the poet liked her grandmother, the poet was worried because she can't able to find her grandmother because her grandmother disappeared from her view. Now let's see the first three stanzas of the poem. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it's true. She pressed Ctrl and Enter and disappeared from view. It devoured her completely. The thought just made me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. Have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Let's read one more time. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Ctrl and Enter and disappeared from view. It devoured her completely. The thought just made her squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. I've searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. Have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Now let's see the explanation stanza wise. So the first stanza, the computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it's true. She pressed Ctrl and Enter and disappeared from view. The poet says that her grandmother was an old tech lady. She lives far away from her. Poet says that when her grandmother pressed Ctrl and Enter, she was suddenly disappeared. So Ctrl and Enter is helped to create a new page. So it is otherwise called as insert page break. The poet says that the computer swallowed her grandmother. Because she can't able to view her, she was disappeared. Stanza 2. It devoured her completely. The thought just made me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. Devoured means consumed. The poet says that she was completely consumed by a virus or by a worm. Is that possible that a worm can consume a human being? Think about it. Squirm. Squirm means to turn. The poet really she was consumed, confused, and really she was worried about her grandmother. Stanza 3. I've searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I've even used the internet, but nothing did I find. The poet says that the poet took many measures and steps to find her grandmother, but she cannot able to find her, even though she searched her grandmother in recycle bin as well as in files also. Files like JPG files, photo files, the files in Drive. Even though she can't able to find her grandmother. I've even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Even though The poet searched her grandmother in internet also, but she can't able to find the grandma. So now let's see the words which are used in the poem. So control plus enter, it helps you create a new page, insert page break, as I said before. Devote, consumed. Squaw means turn. Virus. A computer virus is a type of malicious software that, when executed, replicates itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. Worm. A computer worm is a standalone malware computer program that replicates itself in order to spread to other computers. Moreover, virus and worms are same, which spoils or destroys your data in your system. Recycle bin is used by Windows computer to store deleted items. It temporarily stores files and folders before they are permanently deleted. File. A file is an object on a computer that stores data, information, settings, or commands used with the computer programs. So the follow up work for you is to write a few lines about your grandmother and what you will do in this situation if you were in that situation. So you can write the line for about 10 to 15 lines. Thank you.